G'day, g'day. We're back from our road trip. We're keen to get back into this bus. This week we are installing the Maxx air fan, and just quietly I think it's got Jeremy a little bit nervous about having to cut a big hole in the top of the bus. Let's go see what he's doing.
Stressing big time. Got to get this old girl in the roof, and as you know, I'm pretty much pro builder and that after putting the walls in, so not gonna lie, she's doing these ones.
Christ.
Yeah, I'm so nervous. Like, that's an understatement, eh? Oh, the guts is churning and everything. I don't know. First of all, I got to get on this bloody roof, and as Cartman would say, been on the Beefcake 2000 for too long, but get up on the roof, measure her out, and see how we go, I guess. I bloody cutting a massive hole in the roof. Can't wait, crikey.
Well, just think, if we stuff it up, we can just duct tape it.
Yeah, true, we got a bit of duct tape there. And what's my favourite word? Oh, we'll just put some snot on it. That'll do. But anyway, let's go cut a huge hole in the roof.
Let's see what's in the box, shall we?
So we got the Maxx fan deluxe. So it's standard fan and extraction fan, and runs off a remote. It's automatic.
Where's it open? Where's the edge of it?
Right there, I think. I don't know. Just burn it. But anyway, we'll come back in about 30 minutes once Jill figures out how to get this box. We'll see you soon. So guys, I've just gone and grabbed a feed and come back. Jill's got the box open, so that's pretty good. Did well there. Did real well. Look at that. So this is day 3 of putting the fan in. How you going there, Gil?
I don't want to break it.
Just burn it. Would you take a look at that? Yeah, it's broken. It's busted. Anyway.
Oh no, she's alright.
Yeah, alright, good as gold. Alright, cool. So that's the fan. That's the little dude that'll stick into the roof on our side that we'll see. So we don't need that until we're finished.
We need that bit.
We need this little jigger. So how does that come off? Like so. I believe that's all we need for now. You got the fan, don't drop him. Whew. Bloody gold laced those fans, eh?
Yeah.
What was it? It was like $500 or something. I think it was either 5 or 6. I can't remember, but yeah, she's pretty cool.
It'll be worth its weight in gold when we're sitting in the desert, though.
All right, guys. So plan of attack is we're going to get centre of the roof. I'll get this measured up so I can find centre, all of that sort of jazz. That's how it sits on top of the roof, so I'm just going to sort of hold him like so, and the plan is to have it roughly about there ish, I think. So we'll measure it all up properly. I'll get my 4 corners here. Once I'm happy with that, we'll probably drill them, drill a centre hole, I think is the plan, and then measure it from the top again. I don't know. The video we seen, which what's his name? Is it Jazz Morton? His build's bloody good, so go and watch him because he knows what he's doing, and we sort of don't. But I think we'll get the same finish. If we find everything down here that we want to find, and then if I just put my four holes up in the corner once I've like traced it all out, put my 4 holes up, and then I take this on top, make sure it sits nice exactly like I've drilled down here. Then I'll probably trace the same with the holes that I've put in the roof, trace around, make sure it all lines up, and then once that's sweet, I should be able to just get in, cut it, and then fingers crossed that'll just sit straight in. All going well. But anyway, we're going to line up, try and get this straight. It's that easy, guys. It's in already. Thanks for watching. See you next week. Found the middle of the bus. Middle of the bus is this little doodad. Measured him up. That's all good. So it's 350 to the outside of that little thing. So we're going. So if you just want to put a mark on the outside of that, got him.
Yep.
And then that's a good pen.
Yeah, it's a great pen.
That is a fantastic pen. So then if you would like to do another mark there, that's good. That's a great pen.
You can see it.
Right, then we'll go 175 in the middle, if you could. So if I put that up there. So she's a bit. Sally's awkward. So we've just traced him up where we think is good, and I'm just going to put some holes in on the corners and then hop up and then line it up, trace it out again, and then choppity choppity choppity. How you going, Jill? Got the shakes? I do.
I'm literally like,
Oh, come on, mate. Don't shake.
you're doing a great job.
It'd be hard to. Stuff.
Don't jinx yourself.
Oh, my knees are seizing up. Oh, I got my work boots on. Oh yeah, got me holes.
You good?
Yeah, I'm better than good.
Alright.
I'm great. Alright, gonna drill this in so I've got somewhere for the jigsaw to go in. And hope that that's what I was after. Right. I think we're about good. I hope we're about good. Wish me luck here, eh? I am stressing. Might back him down to 3 and see how I go. So I got my hole, she's there, she's looking good. I'm just going to file it back, get any of the rough bits off. Then I'm going to give it a quick spray with the rust protection spray. And then once that dries, I'm going to mount the bracket with some Sally's bloody roof waterproofing stuff, and then the screws that come with it in the packet there. Use them, and then once I'm done, I'll probably put another bead of silicone around the outside, and hopefully we're done. But yeah, see you in a bit. Alright, apologies for the sunnies, but it's bright up here, so I'm just going to keep them on. Got the hole, and she's all rust proofed and what have you. Got my silicone here, so I'm just going to probably put the camera down in place. Hopefully you can see that. Looks about right. We'll just run with it, shall we? I'm going to run some silicone down along here, and then on the actual thing as well. And kids have just been for a bike ride, so they're all G'd up, ready to rumble. Right, so I might go another one across, just because you can never have enough of this stuff when you're doing something like this, I guess. I'm going to put a decent bead around the actual thing as well, so. Alright, she's all drilled in. Now I'm just going to run some silicone around the external side of it, and then on the screws that I've put in there, and that hopefully should be right. So I've got the fan there. I'm just gonna lift it, and then I want to line this to open it. And then that way that'll make it easier to put the screws in there. And that'll be all she wrote there for that side of things. But I'm going to pass it on up to Gilly, and she can go from there, I guess. Here you go, Za'Kyia, you hold that. You got him?
I hope so.
So do I. Sweet. Alright, let's talk her through it, Zach.
Alright.
In we go. Right. Now, we want to make sure, yep, so that part goes to you, yep. The cord, send him down first so he doesn't get caught on anything. Yep, that's fine. Lock him like so.
That looks good. It looks really fresh and new.
Alright, let's try this again, shall we? Watch the cords, make sure they're all good. should have a fan there. I think that looks pretty good. With only a few short arguments, we smashed it.
It looks amazing.
It's pretty cool. We're happy with it. Done good. It's even in there nice and solid, just how the manual said. It's actually, to be honest with you, the destructions aren't very good at all. There's no installation destructions. It's all just how to turn it on. But yeah, other than that, I'm just going to pop those little fellas in there. But yeah, that's the Maxx Fan Deluxe, Maxx Air Fan Deluxe or something.
I don't think it was as daunting as we thought it was going to be.
No. So that's the manual one you can just crank. But I'm gonna go and get a drink of water, and then we might go get the battery out of the old lawnmower and see if it works. Be nice. What do you reckon?
It looks real flash. It looks very good.
Success. We did good.
You've done a great job.
Awesome. Alright, we've ripped the battery out of the lawnmower. And she's a bloody full-on jobby. Are we ready? Yes!
Is it blowing
look at it. Yeah, it's cool as. Feel that.
Oh my gosh.
How good's that?
It works.
Now, if I turn that up, what am I doing?
Oh my.
Oh no, I'm setting it.
Oh, it's so windy.
So if I set a temperature down to 24, then I turn my speed of my fan up to 100.
Does it have temperature control?
Yeah, something like that. I don't know how, but whatever. But how good's that?
Show us the remote.
So I just put it on 24 and 100%. But yeah, I know she's
block out the back. Oh, there we go.
Yeah, but that's sick. So if I just turn it back down to, let's say, 30%, and then can I close the lid? It's closing, so therefore it shouldn't really. Oh yeah, so it's just cruising. So that is that what it's supposed to do when it's raining, I think. When it's raining, you can still keep it on and nothing gets wet. And then I open that, I think. Yeah, there we go. And then off she goes. This is sick. I'm just going to sit out here for the rest of the afternoon and play. Jill's just popping that insulation back up in place where we had it. So that's the fan install. You've got this little dude that'll it'll sit, you know, like that over there, and then you just cut the depth to whatever your roof is. So if your roof's only that deep, you do it there or down there or whatever you're sort of happy with, and then it's just got the 4 holes there, so you just screw them in. There's, yeah, it's all pretty self-explanatory. But that's it. We won't be putting this on until the roof's up, obviously. But yeah, other than that, that's the Maxx fan install. And we had an absolute ball doing it, and it was a lot easier than we thought.
You sound so confident.
Yeah, nah, actually.
It was. I thought it was, like this morning, I was pretty nervous. I thought it was going to be, like he said earlier, we'd have to be mathematicians and measure everything to the millimetre, but it was a lot easier, the actual install, than we thought. The hardest part was getting the roof, to, like the top part, to line up with the base. Does that make sense? But still, if we can do it. Yeah, no, it was good. It's good. And that's one less job that we've got to do now. So we're closer to getting the roof up now. That's good. Probably, yeah, all we really need to do is sort of bang some wires up for the lights through that conduit we ran. Once that wiring's up and
and we sort of pick out what lights we want, then we can look at running some more of that slat stuff and then just get our materials for the roof and pop that up now, I guess. But yeah, she's all sweet. Thanks for watching. This was the Maxx Fan Deluxe install. If you haven't already subscribed, hit the subscribe button. If you got a chuckle out of it, give us a thumbs up. Love a good chuckle. And we'll see you on the next one. God only knows what we're doing next. I haven't thought past putting this plastic bloody cover down, so I don't know what we're doing next. But when I do figure it out, we'll see you right here in the bus. Toodaloo.
Bye.